I'm Karthikeyan and my PhD topic is Natural Ingredients and Novel Food Processing Technologies for the Improved Quality of Processed Meat Products. My PhD study focuses on replacing the inorganic phosphate additives added in processed meat products using natural food ingredients and novel food processing technologies. This will help in improving the eating quality of meat product a lot. Phosphates are added as stabilizers in sausages, burgers, and other processed meat products. It helps in retaining the water content and helps in maintaining the juiciness of the meat products. About 65% of the processed meat we consume in the market contains phosphate added in them. When consumed in excess quantity, it can cause serious harm to the people with chronic kidney disorders. Also, the global shift of trend towards green and clean food labeling, it is important to find a natural food alternative for phosphate in processed meat products. I, in my study, primarily work on removing the phosphates from Irish breakfast sausages with two food co-product ingredients in combination with ultrasound technology and high-pressure processing. The ingredients are apple pomace, a food co-product ingredient obtained from apple juice industry, and coffee silverskin, a food co-product ingredient obtained from coffee industry. Both these ingredients are rich in fiber content and can help in mimicking a functionality of phosphate in meat products. To improve their ability to mimic the functionality of phosphate and their physicochemical properties, I treated these ingredients with ultrasound technology. With these treated ingredients, the product are subjected to high pressure processing technology to produce completely phosphate replaced green and clean label Irish breakfast sausages. My results showed that these ultrasound treated ingredients could effectively reduce the phosphate content in Irish breakfast sausages without any changes in the appearances and other quality of the meat product. My product, when approved after a complete investigation, could serve as a potential fiber enriched product, and it will also be a potential opportunity to revalorize the food co-product ingredients. Thank you.